If you just had a shoulder replacement surgery and are wondering how long you're going to be in that sling, the answer is this. Typically, you're going to be in that sling anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks after your surgery. There are a couple of times, though, when you are allowed to take your sling off. They're the following. Number one, when you're with your physical therapist, whether it's at home or in an actual clinic, you're going to have that sling off, and they're probably going to be doing some passive range of motion with you very early on. Number two is when you're doing your home exercises at home, you're allowed to take that sling off to do these exercises that your therapist and your doctor want you to be doing. Number three, you may be allowed to take it off when you're sleeping as well. This depends on the surgeon and is actually specific to the surgery as well, if and when you are allowed to sleep without the sling on. I would expect at least 2 weeks of sleeping with it on, and then after that, ask your doctor as to when is appropriate to begin weaning off the sling. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please follow for more post-surgery PT content.